Can you hide your subscribers count on YouTube? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Nowadays, we are tackling with a lot of questions that has been causing a buzz in YouTube community. Can you hide your subscribers count on YouTube? Spoiler alert. Things have changed. So stick around as we break it all down for you. We can't hide our subscribers count on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. YouTube has removed this option. YouTube made this move to fight the impersonators and spam accounts. Before the update, scammers could easily create fake channels, hide their subscriber count, and pretend to be popular creators to mislead viewers. By making subscribers count visible for our channel, YouTube aimed to add transparency and protect the community. While this change help has reduced the spam and fake accounts, it also left some creators frustrated. Let's talk about why. For creators, especially those starting out, subscribers count can feel like a very big deal. Some creators used to hide their account to avoid judgment and focus on building their content without pressure. Now, with a mandatory display, every viewer can see your number whether you are at 10 subscribers or 10 million. But there is a silver lining. This transparency can help you legitimize channels, build trust with viewers, and even push creators to focus more on engagement and quality content rather than just numbers. So as you can see on the screen, here it used to be the option that help us to hide the subscribers count from the YouTube. But after the update, the YouTube have removed those options to hide the subscribers count. So what does this means for you as a creator? The truth is your subscriber count is just one piece of a puzzle. Viewers care more about your content than your numbers. Whether you are starting out or growing steadily, focus on what you do. Alright, that's everything you need to know about why can't you hide your subscribers count on YouTube anymore. If you have been hopping between the videos trying to figure this out, I hope this one saved you through the trouble. No fluff, no outdated advice, just the facts you need to move forward with your channel. So don't waste any more time on other videos. If you are looking for the real answer to grow and succeed on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and stick around with this channel. We've got no more nonsense tips and tricks coming your way. I hope this clears things up for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.